marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your light, beaming bright. You know I'm so much stronger when you're touching me. I've got what I can't handle, but I know I need one look and I'll surrender. You're why my heart beats.
What's up mga ka-Thailander? So we're on another episode with our unboxing. So shout out, before I open this one, shout out to Pinoy Thailand Edition with Sir Fernando and VMT Racing Philippines and Bushi International. Okay, so this one is brought to you by VMT Racing. So you can search VMT Racing in Facebook. So yung account nila, maraming ano dun, iba-ibang variety ng bike na mga accessories tsaka mga parts. So ito pinadala sa atin for us to review. So ang gagawin ko is to give this our unboxing and first impression. So sa box pa lang, yan, maganda na. Guys, makikita mo, it's a quality brand. Box pa lang yan ha, box pa lang yan. So dito nakalagay is, so it's 20 years experience in the field. Itong Hurricane. 20 years experience mga ka-Thailander. So it will give you fuel efficiency. Tapos mas maganda din daw to kaysa sa standard, kasi sa standard bibili kayo tapos after a few months for the maintenance or after a year tatapon nyo na lang. Unlike dito is pwede mo siyang hugasan, washable. So nakalagay din dito, it's gonna be a lifetime use. Ganda, di ba? So one time ano lang to, one time na bibilhin nyo. Made from quality material, strong and durable constructions that will last a lifetime. Okay na okay mga ka-Thailander. Tapos new innovation using premium stainless steel mesh technology. So ano na pala to? Stainless mesh technology. So parang mesh grill gamit niya. Okay, so bubuksan na natin. Before that, Superbike air filter. So ginagamit to sa mga pang racing. Wow. High flow, washable and reusable, long life. Shout out Hurricane and VMT Racing. Okay, buksan na natin mga Thailander. So wala na siya ibang laman. Okay, so dito flexible pala ito siya, hindi siya katulad ng standard na hard materials. So para siyang rubberized. Okay, so dito meron na siyang steps, pero hindi ko lang mabasa na pasatay eh. So pwede tayong pumunta sa www.hurricanefilter.com. Yan. So pwede natin i-visit dyan. So as far as I can see, sa maintenance meron siyang i-apply, tapos pwede mong i-brush, tapos hugasan mo lang, tapos i-dry. Tapos up to kung sa sa sasakyan natin or sa motor, dapat every 5,000 or 10,000 kilometers hugasan natin siya. So yun, parang ayaw ko pabuksan eh. So this is for our Yamaha Aerox 155. Yan. Parang ayaw ko buksan eh, bagong-bago pa. Right. Yan, buksan na natin. Oh, andito pala yung English eh. Yan, English. So kayo na magbasa mga ka-Thailander. Yan, English. Talikod pala. Yun. So makikita natin dito. Paano ba natin iti-test to? Try natin. Aba, malakas nga yung hangin.
Malakas ka Thailander.
Uy, malakas siya, malakas. Maganda yung airflow. So, abangan, mga ka-Thailander, ilalagay natin sa Aerox to. So, i-ano natin yung review, pagpalit natin ito from our latest na ginagamit. So, parang mas maganda to mga ka-Thailander. Alright, maraming salamat VMT Racing, Hurricane, tsaka Thailand Edition. Thank you so much for this one. At I'm looking forward for a good performance pag-review natin. Alright, see you mga ka-Thailander.